Here's how to change the resolution of your Windows PC. Let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to the search bar down here and you want to go ahead and type in display and you will get display settings right here on the top, and then go ahead and open it. You can also right click on your desktop on an empty space and select display settings. Now, once you're over here, you want to select the monitor or the screen of which you want to change the resolution. I'm going to be using my 2 screen right here. Well, the second screen, which is the one you guys see on the video right now. And then what you want to do is to scroll down in here on the right side and go over to display resolution, and then you'll be able to change it in here to whatever number you want. Now, you can do custom numbers in here, but there is a way to do custom numbers. Now, of course, if you find the number that you want in here, go ahead and use it. Now, what we need to do if you want to change it into a custom resolution is actually head over to the search bar, but this time we're going to type NVIDIA and we're going to open the NVIDIA control panel. Go ahead and open it up in here. If you get this, agree and continue. Of course, read through it before you agree and continue. And then once your NVIDIA control panel opens, head over to display right here and click where it says change resolution. Once you press in there, you're gonna need to select the display or the monitor that you want to change the resolution for. In this case, this is the monitor that you guys are seeing on the screen. Then once you select it, you will have all these resolutions in here that you could scroll up and down and select. You also could change the refresh rate in here, but you do have the customize option. You go into here and you could create a custom resolution. Of course, read through this prompt and hit accept if you agree, and then you'll be able to change your horizontal pixels as well as your vertical pixels. And you could also play around with the refresh rate and you could play around with the scan type. After you create your custom resolution, you will see here and you can go ahead and select it, and that is pretty much how to enable a custom resolution in case you wanted to do a custom one. But the first way I show you should be good for most of you guys, and that is how to change the resolution of your display. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.